Hello, good day po sa inyo lahat. We are going to study right now the number line. Okay, wait. Now, instead of number line, gaano ba kahalaga si number line? Si number line is composed of positive, zero, and negative numbers. Okay, pakita po natin siya. Suppose this is the number line. At ang gitna po niyan ay 0. Okay? Ulit. Sorry. At ang gitna po niyan ay 0. Ang pagbasa mula sa 0, start po always sa 0. Ang pagbasa mula sa 0 papuntang kanan is positive numbers. At ang pagbasa mula sa 0, pakaliwa, that is negative numbers. Okay. Ang katabi ni 0 is always positive 1 or 1. Susunod kay 1 ay si positive 2 or kilala natin as 2. Susunod kay 2 ay si positive 3 and positive 4. Sunod-sunod na po yan hanggang makarating tayo sa highest positive numbers. Sa kabilang banda, on the counterpart, on the other hand, from 0 going to left, hindi na po siya 1. It will become negative 1. Next is negative 2, followed by negative 3, followed by negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. Sunod-sunod na po yan. Okay, thank you.